Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a dot crosshair in Valorant. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings on the top right, your icon, then settings, then crosshair, primary, and then you need to turn off all the settings. So as you can see here, you need to turn off, first you need to select the language color, then turn off outlines, make outline thickness and outline opacity 0 and here 1. Center dot, you can make it on or off, it really doesn't matter, it's up to you, but I like to off. Then center dot opacity 0 and center dot thickness also 1. Then turn off these two options, and then outer lines also turn completely off, all the options here, and then also turn off this option. And what you need to do here next is to just go to show inner lines and turn on show inner lines, and then make inner line opacity 1, as you can see here, make it 1, and then inner line length, you can make it 1 or 2, because if we go on 3, as you can see here, it's not a dot. And then inner line thickness, it's completely up to you here. So you can make it 2, or you can make it 3 or 4, but from 2 to 3, as you can see here, it's dot, but if we go on 4, it's like a square. As you can see here, you can make 6 and also looks like dot. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.